Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to Escape Hills. Right now I'm at the world's largest heritage festival which is happening here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we are going to explore what kind of culture exhibitions we have. There are about 70 plus countries which are participating in this festival, and we hope that this festival will be one of the best. Stay tuned and let's enjoy the festival together. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying our Alaska and Yukon adventure series. But before we continue our journey to the new episode, I wanted to share a special video from the city of Edmonton. Today we are visiting one of Canada's most colorful and exciting annual celebrations, the Edmonton Heritage Festival 2026. Every summer, people from all over the world gather here to celebrate diversity, friendship, and culture. If you have ever dreamed of traveling the world without leaving one city, this festival gives you the opportunity to experience the traditions and cultures of more than 70 countries in a single day. Japanese costume! Hello, very nice, very nice. Fantastic. Oh, another one. Show me your costume. Very good. Beautiful. What is the name of this costume?
Oh, Hakama Kyudo. Hakama and beef. And it's for Kyudo, which is Japanese archery.
Very nice. Thank you. Okay. Wing Chong. What is this Wing Chong?
Wind, and it makes the sound.
Oh, wind. Ah, nice.
Emily.
You?
Yeah.
Okay, and you came from Edmonton?
Yeah.
Very nice. So how is the festival going so far? Good. Hello guys. How are you?
No, not too bad. How about you?
Oh, not bad. What time is the show?
开不show? 开不 show 看 from noontime. So noontime.
No heritage festival is complete without food. So here visitors have the opportunity to taste authentic dishes from around the world.
This is plantain. It's called plantain. It's like tubers. We're frying it fully right. So we cut it to pieces and then deep fry it in oil. Yeah, it's really nice.
Despite cultural suppression, our ancestors always found a way to remain resilient. And today we are here to demonstrate that same resilience. So in the meantime, please enjoy yourselves.
Throughout the day, multiple stages come alive with traditional performances and live entertainments. These performances not only entertain visitors but also help preserve traditions that have been passed down from generation to generation. One of the biggest highlights of the festival is exploring the international pavilions. Walking from one pavilion to another truly feels like traveling across the continents in just a few hours. Hi, how are you guys? Good. How is your festival going so far?
Very well.
Very good. So, would you like to talk about your food?
Yeah, of course. So in this tent, we're selling a traditional Iranian flavor of ice cream. It's a saffron ice cream and it has pistachio sprinkled on top.
Very nice.
We are also selling different refreshers.
Okay.
So we've got a mint lemon refresher, which is lovely. We've got an orange blossom refresher, which is also amazing. And we've got a rose and saffron refresher. So
Okay.
they're all amazing flavors. We really encourage you to come try. Where they live in.
Genghis Khan. Very nice. Hello guys. Oh, looks like nice food, huh? Nice. Would you like to say something about your food?
Okay, here we're making turban. It's like a handmade noodle. We already prepared the noodles. Over there we're making balsa. It's a fried ball.
Okay.
Granulated sugar. Over here we're making kosher, which is fried dumpling, beef filling.
Nice. And this is all Mongolia speciality.
Mongolian food, yes.
Very nice. Very nice.
One nice day, we hold our flag just blue.
J'espère qu'un jour le drapeau il sera tout bleu en fait.
One of the reasons families love this heritage festival is its warm and welcoming atmosphere. Children enjoy cultural activities, interactive games, and live entertainment, while adults explore international traditions, exhibits, and delicious cuisine. It's indeed a memorable experience for visitors of all ages. Hello guys.
Hello.
How are you doing? How are you doing today?
Good, you?
Is everything cool?
It's
No emergencies?
not much.
Very nice, very. So, viewers, if you are planning to visit Edmonton during summer, the Heritage Festival should definitely be on your list. Held every year on the first weekend of August, it offers a rare opportunity to experience the cultures, traditions, and cuisines of dozens of countries, all in one place in a single day. It's a wonderful celebration of diversity, friendship, and community that truly reflects the spirit of Canada. Hello, brother. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, good. So you are the musician?
Yeah, I am the DJ for the people of the
Good job.
My name is Medina Mahfouz, and on behalf of the Canada Palestine Cultural Association, it is such an honor to welcome you all to the Palestine Pavilion. This is the 8th year we stand here to represent our beautiful country of Palestine. We represent all representatives. I truly wish there was more time here to showcase the variety of cultures and overcome my
Edmonton Heritage Festival is one of the largest multicultural festivals in the world, Communities from across the globe proudly showcase their heritage through traditional clothing, music, dance, arts, crafts, history, and authentic cuisine. Viewers, what makes the festival truly special is that it reflects Canada's multicultural identity by bringing people together with a shared spirit of understanding, respect, and appreciation for cultures from every corner of the world.
Now, different dance.
Just go. It's actually.
फेस्टिवल एंजॉय हो रहा है माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह आपकी ज़बरदस्त कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस हैं गिल साहब
थैंक यू बेस्ट फूड और ये मैंगो का शेक बेस्ट मैंगो शेक है
वेरी नाइस
ऑल द वे पाकिस्तान से मैंगो मंगवा के हम शेक बना रहे हैं
वेरी नाइस
एंड यू फील यंगर देन योर एज इफ यू
एब्सोल्युटली हेलो गाइस हाउ आर यू ऑल वेरी नाइस हाउ इज द मिल्क शेक गोइंग हाँ जी क्या है ये कौरमा
ये कोरमा है जी
अच्छा
ये बटर
चिकन है जी माशाल्लाह
ये राइस है
गुड और ये है जी आपका फिश टिक्का है जी माशाल्लाह और ये जी सीख कबाब और ये तैयारी हो रही है जी गर्मा गर्म सीख कबाब बन रहे हैं वेरी नाइस ये जी टिक्के बन रहे हैं आप क्या कर रही हैं चिकन सीख बना रही हैं अच्छा और ये कबाब कौन बना रहे हैं
मैं बना रहा हूं जी
हाँ ये दोस्त भाई कबाब बना रहे हैं
और वकार भाई
और ये सलाद बन रहा है जी पापड़ी चाट कौन बना रहा है हाँ अपना नाम बताएं आप मोहम्मद अहमद देखिए जी मेरा लेटर तैयार है और ये हेरिटेज फेस्टिवल के मज़े हैं जी तो ज़बरदस्त मज़ा आ रहा है जी अशरफ भाई कैसे चल रहा है
बहुत ज़बरदस्त यहाँ बिल्कुल एंड हो रहा है ये आखिरी हमारा वो है बारबी का सेशन चल रहा है
अच्छा।
और ये वॉलंटियर्स के लिए है माशाल्लाह पूरा दिन आज लाइन नहीं टूटने की
हाँ बड़ा मज़ा आया यार
बड़ा
इट वॉज एक्सट्रीमली बिजी डे हाँ
Pavilion is going to take home a big glass of mango shake. 1, 2, 3, go!
We've got our winner. Come here. Come on the stage. You give me your hand. Come. What's your name?
Keshav.
Keshav?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do bhangra?
No, I don't.
So what did you do today?
I just danced a little bit.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did.
A big round of applause for Kashyap. She is the winner of the mango shake. Woo! Who's gonna get mango shake for her?
You won the musical chair. What are your feelings?
I'm very glad that I won. Thank you so much for the mango shake, and I had so much fun. Thank
Very
you.
nice. Thank you for participating.
Yeah.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this special tour of Edmonton Heritage Festival 2026. Now, in our next episode, we will return to our Alaska and Yukon adventure as we explore the historic streets of Skagway, Alaska, the famous gateway to the Klondike Gold Rush. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to SK Dreams for more travel adventures, cultural experiences, and inspiring journeys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.